If you've been staying with me during this series of lessons in math, you will know that I want for you to be able to do math in your mind and very quickly on paper. So this is what I want to show you. I want to show you a way that you can actually put down a 2 by 2 calculation on paper and then be able to do it mentally because of the way you space it out. So follow along, okay? So we're going to do this here. We're going to go 643 times 92. Okay. So what I did was I put the 9 really like in the middle here and the 2 right here in the middle. So you have a space here. So you can kind of see it and you can work with it. So what you want to do is you want to start with the outside. We're going to go 6 times 9 is 54. You'll say it 3 times. 54, 54. Don't write it down. Just think 54, okay? Hold that memory. Then you're going to cross. You're going to go easily seen is 6 times 2 is 12. And then 12 onto 36 is 48. Okay? So now you got the 48 and you just take the 4 and add that to the 54. So now your new number in your head is going to be 588. Easy. 588. Okay? Then you'll do a cross again. You can see here. This is 8 and this is 27, which is 35. Okay? So 588, if you see a 3, it's going to be a 1. So it's going to be 591, and then you've got your 5 for 35. So 5915, and then this is 6. So your answer is going to be 59156. That's the answer. And you did it all mentally by breaking it down. Because again, you can see the separation here, so you can kind of fill it in mentally. Easy to do. That's how it's done. So practice that. Make sure you practice it. Do it several times to understand it. Get back to it, and then you'll be able to really show off your mental math skills. Thanks for watching.